Marley, 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 Marley. All the retarded dogs stand up. All stupid dogs stand up. It's Marley. My name is Marley Jake, and my butt hole stinks. All the boys like my wiener. I have no balls cause I'm gay. Hey balls cause I'm gay. Hey balls cause I'm gay. Hey balls cause I'm gay. I show the money cause I'm really gay. Hey, I show money cause I'm so gay. Oh, I'm really gay. Hey, I'm so gay. Hey, I'm so gay. Hey, I'm so gay. Hey, I show the money cause I'm really gay. I show money cause I'm gay. Get out the way. Marley Jake coming through. Him by himself cause nobody likes him cause he's betrayed. Got green eyes and a pink nose, that's scary. Labrador retriever, oh my god, why is he so hairy? He smells like Fritos in his feet, oh my gosh. His butthole stinks, get out the way, gosh. I mean gosh, gosh, but gosh, to dodge. Marley's so gay, 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 gay. This right here is Marley Jake. He is so
Poppy.
gay. Look how retarded his face is. And he's a pretty stupid dog. Hey, pretty stupid dog.
He's
Hey,
a good
pretty stupid
boy.
dog. Hey, pretty stupid dog. Hey, boys like his dick cause he's pretty stupid dog. Hey, look at his face cause he's pretty stupid. Cause he's pretty stupid. Pretty stupid. Pretty stupid. Pretty stupid. What are you doing, Marley? You're pretty stupid. Look at my lab cause he's pretty stupid. Yeah, Marley Jake. 1 year old. The Labrador.
And I'm Poppy Hoppy.
Yeah.
Stop.
We're kidding, Marley. We love you, man. Just thought of a funny rap for you.
My damn charger.
Yeah. If you want to adopt this dog, call 443-975-3228.
No.
Yeah.